Today we're making a sweet onion relish. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need 3 tablespoons of red wine, 2 onions, salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, mason jar, Irish butter, and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now it's time to slice our onions. You can do a small dice, a medium dice. I particularly like to slice my onion in slices for this recipe. If you want to learn how to slice an onion, please check out my video on how to slice an onion. All I'm doing here is cutting off the ends, and then I peel the onions. This way there's no skin, and then I slice them into strips. I do that for both onions. Every time I cut, I always practice the safety rules. I keep my fingers curled back and the knife against my knuckles, and then I'm doing a rocking chopping motion for this one. And you're just going to repeat for the second onion, and then after that you're going to transfer your onions into a bowl. It's time to turn on the fire. So I'm going for a medium to high heat, and then I just add the butter to the pan, and then I coat the pan. This way it helps the butter dissolve faster. It's time to add the onions to the pan. You want to saute the onions until translucent and caramelized. This is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes, and you must stay here and watch the onions because you do not want them to burn. This is already 10 minutes in, and they're already starting to turn brown. It's time to add the sugar, and then from here you're going to want to stir it, and once again please watch your onions because you do not want them to burn. This is what they will look like after 15 minutes. If you want them darker, you can just stir them longer. It's time to deglaze the onions. I put the red wine vinegar, and the balsamic vinegar together, and I just poured them over the onions. And all you want to do is just stir them in, and you let this simmer for like another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm constantly stirring because you want the liquid to evaporate, creating that smooth jam consistency. Once the desired consistency is reached, I season with salt and pepper, and I stir again. It's time to transfer the onions into your jar. Once you are done transferring your onions, it's time to put them into the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if this recipe worked for you.